Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel after a long time. Today in this video we will discuss about how to install Shopify CLI in Windows. Simple search install Shopify CLI. Don't worry, this link is given in the description. Please read the requirements of Ruby installation. You can install Shopify CLI on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Click to Ruby installer for Windows link. Then download Ruby with DevKit. I have already downloaded. Simple steps like other installer. Please select all three options. I have already installed this, so I have skip installation. Press Shift plus right click for open PowerShell. Then write this command, gem install Shopify CLI. Wait for installation, depend on your internet speed. When installed successfully, please write this command to check Shopify is installed properly or not. Congratulations, you have installed successfully. In the next tutorial, we have to learn how to create and manage themes using Shopify CLI. Thanks for watching my video. Click to subscribe button and also click to bell icon so never miss any new updates, and never forget to share this video.